Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you how to download and install the Aurora store to your Android TV, Android TV box or Google TV. This is going to be a very easy video. If you find it helpful, please like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So if you have an Android TV or any TV that runs on an Android operating system, this is what to do to install the Aurora store. Go over to your download application, and if you don't have download on your Android TV, check the description of this video. There is a link I have attached that is going to help you to install the downloader application to your Android TV. After installing downloader, all you've got to do is launch it, and this is how it's going to look like. So what you need to do in this box over here, type in this code 631082. This is the code to install the Aurora store. Once you type in the code, all you need to do is just type on go, and the application is going to start downloading. So the APK of the application is going to download, and then you'll be able to install the APK to your Android TV. So just give it a second, let it redirect to the installation page or download page. Once you're done downloading, you can then go ahead and install to your Android TV. If you found the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So here's the application downloading. You're going to take a couple of seconds. Once it's done downloading, you can install it and delete the app file from your Android TV to save space. And that's it about this video. So just install it and give me a couple of seconds for the application to quickly install. Please, this is going to work on any Android TV device as long as the TV is an Android TV. Now it's done installing, just delete the app file and then you are good to go. If you found the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.